will unbox this package from the Amazon and let's see how's the what content we have inside. Actually, I have ordered mobile after so many search, and let's see. And here is the box. It's OnePlus 7. You can see go beyond speed, and it's mirror gray, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. And let's see the specification. It's 32,999 price, and it's manufactured by Oppo in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. This is fine. And let's open the box. What we get inside. Need to remove this plastic cover. Yeah, it's done. Like after searching so many in YouTube's, like there are Poco F2s coming, but still OnePlus UI is best in the market for the Android. That's why I have selected OnePlus. And see this, it's OnePlus community. After removing this, and here is the box. Oh, see, it's very sleek. And let's see what inside we have. This OnePlus here, the case is very good. This one having the protection around the edges, and this is to protect the camera. Little bit bump I think has OnePlus, and this is a cover for the charger also, so it's good. And here we'll see this SIM ejector tool, and this never settle sticker is there, and this plastic recycling. Yeah, this is the SIM ejector tool. You can see it's nice. Keep them aside. This is the OnePlus sticker. You can keep it. This is the phone. It's very good, looking very premium class design, both and back. Gorilla Glass 6 in front and Gorilla Glass 5 at back. It's mirror K version. Little bit camera bump, but that is acceptable, no issue. And it is the alert slider button, which you can make it for the pause or like make it in vibration mode. And there we can see its inbuilt case is applied here, tempered glass. I can see that it's very nicely applied, and here you can see the speaker here, like, and below it we can see the charging port here and the dual speaker here. Camera is 48 megapixel and 5 megapixel. It's having OIS and EIS. This is volume rocker button, and let's see whether how is the SIM here. Yeah, so this is a dual SIM, and we can put two SIMs here. We'll do it. So these are the things, and this is invitation letter from the OnePlus CEO. This you can see invited. Let's keep it inside. And what we get here, it's the type C cable, it's there, and this is the charger. It's very well packed. This is dash charger, which is 20 watt fast charger, which makes you charge 3700 battery, 37 milliamp battery in just 90 minutes. It's very good. Let's open this. Yeah, it's got, and this is well covered. This is the pen. Yeah, it's fine. So these are the things from here. Let's boot up the phone. I'm pressing power button, and it's OnePlus logo, powered by Android. This is my first OnePlus device after searching so many things like in YouTube, whether go for Redmi or Asus Zenfone 6Z. It's finally decided that its custom Oxygen OS is very good. Let's get started. We'll give a full review on this. Subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any question. I will make a video on that regarding camera comparison to Redmi Note 7 Pro and iPhone 7. Just comment on that, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.